Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload music on Spotify. You can upload music that isn't on Spotify to your library, so everything is one place. You'll need to have the Spotify application installed rather than the web browser. Launch the program and make sure you are logged into your account. Click on Spotify and then Preferences. A pop-up window will appear. Scroll down until you get the local file section, and click this button to allow these files to be shown on the Spotify app. On the left hand side, a local file's name will now appear. Click on it and you'll see lots of audio files from your computer listed. Now go to your Finder on Mac or My Computer on Windows and find the file you want to add. Copy the file and paste it into your download folders. Back in Spotify, if we scroll down the local file list, you'll see it appears at the bottom. Click on the three dots icon on the track and select Add to Playlist and choose one. It will now be added to your playlist and you'll be able to play it on your desktop. So that's how you can upload music on Spotify. If this video helped you out, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.